Bakit kailangan kumuha ng MDF si newly hired employee sa Pag-ibig Fund? Answer, unang-una friends, ang MDF ay Members Data Form. Makukuha po ito sa Pag-ibig Fund. Okay po, ang newly hired employee ay kailangan kumuha ng MDF or Members Data Form for the following reason. Number one, sa MDF kasi nandun yung Pag-ibig MID number or Members ID number. Number two, ang employer ninyo ay hihingi ng members data form sa inyo kasi nandun ang MID number ni employee. Para saan? Para sa remittance ng Pag-ibig contributions ng employee. Yes, friends. Meron kasi tayong batas, friends, na once na employee kayo, required po ang employer na may deduction sa SSS, Pag-ibig, or GSIS. Opo, kung government employee kayo, ang deduction niyan is GSIS at Pag-ibig and PhilHealth. On the other hand, if private employee kayo, ang deduction po sa sweldo ninyo ay SSS, Pag-ibig, tsaka PhilHealth. Ayan po. Sa Pag-ibig po, ang contributions niyo ay considered savings po yan. At age 60, makuha po ninyo yan with dividends at meron pang employer's counterpart. And while hindi po nyo makuha ang Pag-ibig Fund savings niyo, pwede kayo maka-loan, housing loan, tsaka salary loan. Kasi po may grounds for withdrawal ang savings ni Pag-ibig Fund or contributions niyo sa Pag-ibig Fund. 6 grounds po yan. Number 1 is yung age 60. Number 2, 20 years membership maturity. Number 3, permanent departure from the country. Number 4, insanity. Number 5, retirement due to health reason. And number 6, death of a member. Ayan po. Alright, hope na may natutunan tayo sa videong ito. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.